professional journey so far, I forgot the count as to how many workshops or programs that I would have undergone. Formal,
Okay.
formal workshops do happen every now and then. I'm still doing a program uh, on leadership effectiveness. Every
Mm-hmm.
Saturday, I spend around 5 hours
Mm-hmm.
undergoing that course. It's a self-paid course out of my own
Mm-hmm.
interest and curiosity that
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing. But right in the beginning of my career, I underwent a lot of selling skill programs, sales school we used to call. I had a lot of interest, so I'll buy books on selling and pharmaceutical selling, knowing about my products. So I used to invest a lot of time in learning about what selling is, what marketing is, and
Mm-hmm.
about my products. So one fundamental thing is whatever you sell, you must master it. Yeah, it can be a device, it can be a drug, or it can be a service. But unless you don't know your product well, however good you are in talking, however good sales dance you can make, you will never be successful unless you don't understand your products well. So the basic understanding of a product is very, very important. So I worked hard in knowing my products, knowing my customers very well. Every time I went to see a customer, I did a lot of research, knowing as to who that customer is, what are his needs, why would he give me business. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm young, and there are many senior sales reps to whom he has been meeting for years. He has relationship. How do I crack that account? And so I used to do a lot of work talking to people, knowing, observing, finding out, asking questions, a lot of questions. Sometimes a little uncomfortable, and I got a lot of bashing also because they thought that I'm too young to ask some of the difficult questions. And but it was okay, and I never felt bad about it, and that helped me in learning a lot. So I went through a formal learning and formal learning both, a lot of workshops, a lot of self studies. I went to the, as I said, while I was working, I did my post graduation program in management. I also did a post graduation program in marketing. I also did, as I said, Black Belt Six Sigma, which had nothing to do with my core business. I mean, it was just that I was curious. I wanted to learn as to how do you deal with complex situations which are presented to you during course of your career.